This SR Sunrise Black Rainfall shower set feels solidly built, with stainless steel construction that resists rust and keeps its dark finish looking sharp over time. The package functions as a true full system, including the overhead rain head, handheld sprayer, long hose, wall arm, and mixing valve, so you are not hunting for extra parts during installation. Water coverage from the square rain head is broad and even, and the handheld sprayer adds focused pressure that makes rinsing hair and cleaning the shower much easier. The self-clearing silicone nozzles and adjustable ball joint make it simple to keep the spray pattern clean and to angle the water comfortably for different user heights. Performance is noticeably better than many builder-grade fixtures in homes with modest water pressure, delivering a stronger, more satisfying shower without feeling wasteful. The included pressure balancing valve and integrated check valves add a layer of safety against sudden temperature spikes, and the manufacturer backs the system with responsive, ongoing support.